Superfast celebrity air boss Wayne Boggs up here sneaking in on our frequency. Here he goes now. Watch that. Like balancing on a ball of ice, but it's all computer controlled with the Osprey. Just sliding right over. Check that out. Look at all that water picking up.